CounterConnect is a customer-facing display app for Shopify POS. It mirrors the live cart on a second screen and lets customers quickly add missing email or phone information during checkout without slowing down staff. The customer display works in any browser, so it can run on a tablet or even an old laptop. For this demo, we're showing it in another browser window. Now let's install the app. From the Shopify admin, click Install. Excellent. Then in the Shopify POS app, we're going to click Add Tile, over to App, CounterConnect, and then Customer Display, and click Add, and remember to hit Save. Now let's set up the customer display for the first time. Open Counter App/display, and you're going to see the setup display screen. For the counter name, we're just going to go ahead and use iPhone for this demo because that's where my Shopify POS app is right now. And then it's going to ask for the Shopify location ID. If you go into your settings in Shopify admin and go all the way down to locations, this is going to bring up the screen that we need. You're going to click on your current location, and then up here in the URL, that's going to be our location ID. Copy that, bring it back into the setup display. You're going to add that here and hit continue. Now we're ready to pair the display with Shopify POS. On the POS app, tap the Connect Display tile. The pairing code that matches the pairing code on the display on your tablet or laptop should show up immediately. Go ahead, click the pairing number that matches, and you should be good to go. You can X out of the tile up here when you're done, and we're ready to start using the app. The customer enters their phone number or email, and Shopify will automatically find their account. If the customer isn't already in Shopify, they'll be prompted to sign up directly on the customer display. Now we can ring in a sale with the customer already signed in. Everything that we do on the point of sale side shows up live on the live cart side for the customer display. We're going to go ahead and finish this sale, and the customer will receive receipt options that they can then choose. We're just going to go ahead and hit no receipt here. One of the best parts of CounterConnect is that it can fill in missing customer information automatically. This time we'll sign in using an email instead. As the customer starts to get rung up, they're going to see another box that will allow them to enter their phone number, and just like that, the customer's phone number has been added into their account, right here. This also works in reverse. If a customer signs in with only a phone number, they can add their email address during checkout. CounterConnect will automatically merge the duplicate Shopify customer records into a single profile based on the email address. A quick note about protected customer data. CounterConnect only requests the Shopify permissions needed to look up customers, update missing contact information, and merge duplicate customer profiles created during checkout. Customer data is never stored outside of Shopify beyond a temporary session used during the checkout process.